Hey everybody, Larry Janeski here with your RainDrop Minute. Here's another excerpt from our installation video that's on YouTube for you to learn from and show your guys. For a drop-in style installation, you're going to cut the guard using a razor blade. Bend the flange back and forth to loosen up the polypropylene. Once you wake it up, you can bend that flange all day long without a problem. This is for an installation where you're not going up underneath the shingles. You're going to bend that flange so you can make the guard into a drop-in style. You want to secure the back. You'll preset your screws, set the guard in place, and with an extended bit, secure that to the back of the gutter. Depending on the style of the gutter brackets, you might need to trim off or cut the flange around the gutter brackets. Keep in mind that you always want to have a forward slope pitch on the gutter guard. This keeps debris moving forward and allows the gutter guard to continue doing its job. Push the front edge into place and screw it down using the self-tapping 1/4-inch hex head screws provided in each box with a magnetic bit. Another option is to put a 3/4-inch PVC pipe with the 5-inch gutter. Cut off the entire flashing because you're not going up underneath the roof line. It will sit on top of the PVC towards the back of the gutter and screw it into place. The screws will hold it tight enough to hold that pipe in place and will also provide the perfect pitch. Another option is to use a common J channel. Secure that to the back of the gutter, cut the flange off the gutter guard, slide it into the J channel, and set it in place and secure it. The market for installing RainDrop Gutter Guard is huge, and we want you to make lots of money with RainDrop Gutter Guard.